Welcome back to Frederica Nation. It's been a while, y'all, but you know what? I couldn't leave y'all hanging too long. I actually waiting on another camera, but I'm doing this filming off of my phone and iPad, so it's still all good regardless. Right now, I'm going to be spray painting these letters, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing. These are the letters that I'm spray painting with metallic silver. This is the spray paint that I'm using. Okay, color metallic. And what I'm going to do with these letters, I'm spray painting them because I am trying to decorate my own little table for whenever I do my DIYs. It's going to be very cute and beautiful. Y'all going to see what I'm talking about once I'm done. But yeah, I had just bought some spray paint. Well, this is some from the old can. I still had some left. And I'm showing y'all what I'm doing. I'm going to decorate it. And then I'm going to show y'all how I put it all together and what I'm really talking about. But if you have not subscribed yet or hit a part of the family, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the ring bell, so you never miss an upload. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, you guys, this is the final look for my letters that I spray painted earlier. Like I was telling you all, I got it all done, you all. Frederica Nation. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? So I'm going to be using this. These letters every video. I'm customizing it for y'all. This is what I'm doing for y'all now. Come on. I am getting this stuff together on my channel. I'm trying to perfect it a little bit better. Like I said, you know, I have been going through camera technical difficulties. Anyway, yeah, technical difficulties with the camera. So I'm, you know, in the middle of filming between my phone and my iPad right now, so I don't have a camera right now, so I totally apologize. But y'all, this is the final look of the DIY that I did for you all, that I'm going to be using my lettering for my name and my channel. I got the letters, of course, from Walmart. I got the ribbon wrap from the Dollar Tree, and also the trim wrap came from Walmart. And of course, you're gonna need your necessities: hot glue gun and the scissors. But this is it. Thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe if you have not did so yet. Join the family. Thank y'all so much. Drop down in the comment section below. Other than that, I'll see y'all some other time.